Hi, I'm Tyler Ware, reporting for Pembrokeshire College News. We're here outside the college today to celebrate St David's Day and Wales. We have music coming up from Ellie Fountain and special guest Lowry Evans. What is today's event about?
Okay, so every year we usually do something to celebrate St David's Day, but St David's Day was on a Saturday this year. We've decided to change it a bit to a day to celebrate Wales, to broaden it out a bit. We've been lucky enough to book Lowry Evans, who's a professional Welsh singer-songwriter, nationally known singer-songwriter, she's a fantastic performer. And we've got our own Ellie Fountain over there setting up as well. So we decided to make it a day celebrating Wales through Welsh and English music. We've got some art projects going on, we've got some Welsh things for sale, all things Welsh. We've had Welsh cakes and cows, so it's just a day really to celebrate and to get the college all to come together and enjoy our country.
Could you tell us a little bit about your musical background?
Well, according to my mother, I could sing before I could talk. I used to sit in my buggy going la 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 before I could say any words. And yeah, so I just loved singing as I was growing up.
Woke up and wished that I was dead, with an aching in my head. I lay motionless in bed. I thought of you and where you'd gone.
What is your opinion on Ellie's music?
I thought Ellie was great. I think she's got a really great future ahead of her. She's very young, so she's got years ahead of her. I'm not sure how many years older I am, so we'll cut that out. But no, she's great. And I think today, she might have been a bit nervous singing in front of, her friends and students, but it's just going to build her confidence up and she'll go from strength to strength.
Tegach yw na'r lili dlos, dim ond calon lan allgani, canu'r dydd a chanu'r nos. Ddim ein hariad i rwy gofyn i ti.
Could you tell us a little bit about your musical background?
I can. I started singing when I was 7 in Newport Primary School. We're a really good choir there. And then I was sent for singing lessons. We recorded a tape. There were no CDs back then. We recorded a tape of the choir and we went and sang in the Royal Albert Hall. So that was a great experience. And from that early age, I was sort of going around competing in the Eisteddfods, because if you're Welsh and you can sing, you've got no choice really. And so I went around singing solos, duets, choirs and folk singing. So it was a really good grounding really, and good for my confidence to get up on stage and sing. And then went to secondary school, started a school band, we won a few competitions and recorded a few songs. And that's it really, up until the age of 18, where I went off to study a degree in jazz and pop music.
This has been Tyler Ware, reporting for Pembrokeshire College News.